Hi, Pretty Bird Flock. Yes, say hi. Hey, everybody. Yes, come say hi. Good girl. Pretty Bird is still doing all right. She's getting better. The quick update, taking another shower. She loves her showers, and she is spoiled. Yeah. What are you doing? Get out of the water, silly goose. Look at that pretty goose. Look at that. It's raining off of her right there. Standing right in the water. That's Pretty Bird, the silly goose. Anyway, she's doing all right. She's still taking her vitamins and her medicine. She's actually on some antibiotics right now. But she'll be better hopefully soon. She's still eating her food and drinking her water, which is like insanely important. That's like if an animal doesn't do that, that's when you know it's really bad. So she's still doing good with all that. She's definitely still very clingy. Just part of how we know that she's still not quite feeling all herself, but you know. Regardless, she's definitely feeling better than she did a week ago. So that's good. On a side note, it is my birthday today. Yes, it is. I have now turned 29 plus 2. And I've been enjoying the day with my family, of course, which has been very beautiful. Big Bird, what are you doing? You don't have enough space in there for that, silly goose. Coo, coo, coo. Coo, 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 coo. Pretty Bird's birthday will actually be coming up in April, on April 16th. Yes, April 16th is your birthday. Yes, it is. Mommy's was today, remember? Yeah. Yeah, you got extra treats today. Yes, you did. Oh, cake. Oh, kitty. Oh, kitty. Careful with those wings. They're too big. Anyway, and, yeah. So here's your update. Pretty Bird's doing okay. We're hanging in there. Right, Goose Goose? Yeah. Cute as ever. Alrighty, and then, if you haven't noticed or seen yet, we did actually, add some ways for everyone to contact Pretty Bird if they so choose to. Added a P.O. box and an email address. Right, pretty? Yeah. And of course, as always, we appreciate all the comments everyone's been leaving. And the likes you've been giving us. And welcome all the new subscribers to Pretty Bird's flock. Yes, we do. And we're grateful for everyone that has contributed to her videos in any way. If you've shared her video, liked her video, commented, or subscribed, or anything, we just wanted to say thank you. Well, Pretty Bird's going to get out of the shower here in a few minutes. She's been in there for about, I want to say 20 minutes or so. And then she's probably going to go take a nap. Because that's Pretty Bird. Yep. But she's spoiled. Big bird! Big bird! Are you a big bird? No? You're not a big bird? Coo, coo, coo. Oh, pretty. Can Mama get some pretties? Oh, thank you for the pretties. Oh, thank you for the pretties. Oh. Oh, thank you for the pretties. It's my favorite thing. And she does that on my hand. Alrighty, y'all. We'll see you next time. We'll give you another update soon. Alright, pretty bird. Can you turn around and say bye-bye? Pretty bird. She's like, what? Taking a shower. I'm busy cleaning. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Well, then get your face in the water, silly goose. Come here. Ah, we gotta drain that. Shower real good again. Hi. Can you say bye-bye? Pretty bird, can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye, everybody. Say bye. See you next time.